inside this final video we are going to go to the blog, and in here we are going to make this image scalable, because see what will happen if we go down. Did you notice? Now the image will get caught in here on the right. If we continue, now the image, you are not going to be able to see the image. You can actually see that the image will overlap or will go outside the normal width in this case. Let me continue going back, and we are going to reduce. Did you notice they are getting overlapping each other? So we are going to fix all that inside this video. Let's go to the gray, and we are going to go and find, let me go back, make a selection, right click and view selection source. As you can see, the image will be inside this division with the class image intro left. Let's click Ctrl C, and we are going to find that specific class. Let me click Ctrl F, and we are going to paste down here the name. As you can see, this will be the CSS rule that will be targeting that specific image. Now again, we will need to apply a max width and then a width 100%, and at the end the height with the value auto. But let me go back and show you, because you will need to know the max width inside this image, okay? It all will depends on the width you are going to be using, and in this case it will be 250. So we are going to go back, click enter, and max width will be 250 pixels, and then the width will be 100%. Semicolon, click enter and click height. Then the height will be, well, it will have the auto value, and for right now that will be it. Let's click Ctrl S so we can save the changes, and we are going to upload all the changes. Right click, upload, click OK to replace, and we are going to refresh. This time we are going to decrease the size, and let's go down, and you can notice that the image, it is still having problems on the right. Let me click F12 so we can go to the image. You will need to go and find the image inside the call mask, and it will be call midth, call left, center column, main content, and you are going to be finding this image. Let me click refresh so I can see the changes that I did. Well, in this case I cannot see the changes. Let me check if I am uploading. Well, actually this won't be the right template in my case, okay? In this case this will be the right template. Right click and upload. Click OK, and we are going to refresh. There we are. As you can see, now we are going to be able to see the 100%, but the problem will remain in there. Now let me show you what you can do. You can actually change all these 100 to probably 90, and that will be a lot better. So let me keep reducing the size. Did you notice now all the design will look a lot better? Let me keep going down. Now the right column move down right here, as you can see, and we are going to keep reducing the size, and there you have it, my friends. Now this design will work just fine. Let me just go back and make the changes. Instead of 100, we are going to have 90%. Then click Ctrl S, and we are going to right click and upload. Click OK, and now we are going to refresh. Let me double check that the 90%, click F12, the 90% will be in place. So for this video that will be it, And on the next one, we are going to be targeting the image inside this article, as you can see here. Well, in this case, we are going to be applying. Let me check because I don't know if I will need to apply. Let me continue. And well, you know what? We can actually leave. Let me go back. Well, here is what I am going to do, because let me show you what will happen if we go resize in window 320, click OK. Notice what will happen with this text. You can actually see the text in here. So what we are going to be doing on the next video, we are going to apply something that can move all this text below this image only when the user is browsing the design below 480 pixels. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on.